So I found Ron Clinton. It was probably around 10 years ago. I was having severe back pain. I'd been on the floor for a couple days and I was scouring YouTube videos looking for something that would give me relief. And I kept coming up and seeing the Mckenzie system. And people kept saying, oh, I got a lot of relief, or this worked for me. So I went to the Mckenzie website and I did a search in my area and I found Ron. So I had been in such severe pain, excuse me, for a couple days. I hadn't been able to stand up or work or shower. And I went to Ron, and after about 2 or 3 minutes in his office and him positioning me, the pain was gone completely. And he taught me some exercises to keep it at bay that I'm still using to this day. And it was just, I didn't want drugs or surgery. And I was working as a bedside nurse at the time. So I needed my back to work. And I know surgery isn't really a guarantee. So I wanted to make that a very last resort. And then last summer, I started to have some knee pain on the side of my knee, and it was severe. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't walk, I couldn't sit, couldn't ride in a car or drive. And I went to the orthopedist, of course, and the x-rays showed nothing. They didn't know what was wrong. So I went to Ron, and after a couple tests, he determined it was coming from my back. And this pain was worse than any back pain I'd ever had. So I went to Ron for a couple of weeks and it was completely gone just by doing some exercises. So to say I'm a fan is putting it mildly. Ron is very good at finding the source of the problem, and then he will take you through the treatment plan, but he will teach you lifestyle changes that will keep you from ending up in this situation again. And that's probably been the most valuable for me. I know how to lift, I know how to sit, and he's kept me from just a life of being disabled. And I appreciate knowing he's there, and I love his programs, and I'd recommend him to anyone